earn from messages. How do you do that? You can easily set that on your Telegram account, and people who don't save your contact, like people who just want to send you any type of message, even if it's hi, hello, how are you doing today, these people will pay you to send you such message. It's available on Telegram, but most people don't really know about this. Many people are earning from Telegram, and in this particular video I'm going to share different ways you can earn from your Telegram account or from your Telegram channel. But if you want to earn huge as well, try your best to get or create a Telegram channel in a second. It's so easy to create, although I'm still going to record a video on how to do that. But on this video I'm going to talk more on how to earn from Telegram. One of the first way you can earn from Telegram is through Telegram affiliates. And on this Telegram affiliate, you can earn up to 80% or 70%. How do you do that? This is just you promoting or recommending some Telegram boards or some Telegram channel, and you get paid whenever people access this. So this is how you make money from your Telegram affiliates. Then another way you can also make money when it comes to earning from Telegram is through Telegram stars. This is you selling stars or people gifting you stars as well, and you can easily convert them to money. You can easily withdraw with crypto or fragments as well via your Telegram wallet. And another way you can also make money on Telegram is through getting money from people that wants to message you. That's earn from messages. How do you do that? You can easily set that on your Telegram account, and people who don't save your contact, like people who just want to send you any type of message, even if it's hi, hello, how are you doing today, these people will pay you to send you such message. It's available on Telegram, but most people don't really know about this. Another possible way you can also earn from Telegram as well is through Telegram ads. This is you running ads for people or ads showing on your channel. People can pay you to run ads on your own channel as well, and you can easily do that on telega.io. And as Telegram run ads on your own channel as well, they pay you 50% commission, so you make money from your Telegram ads. The another way you can also make money from your Telegram as well is through Telegram marketing or Telegram channel. This is you creating a Telegram channel, and you're able to reach 1000 subscribers. You start to earn from that your Telegram by monetizing those people on your Telegram group or in Telegram channel. And how do you do that? You have to start posting value content, and people that love what you post will click subscribe and follow you. And when you are able to do that, you can easily transform such audience to buying your courses. When you have transformed that your channel, or you get a products, maybe digital products or an ebook, such as maybe for instance how to make soap. Maybe you have an ebook or digital products on how to make soap. People can easily pay you. People on your channel or in your community can easily pay you to purchase that. The reason is because you have built trust, they have known you, so they can easily purchase whatever you sell. So this is how you also make money from your Telegram marketing or your Telegram channel. So in case if you don't have a Telegram channel, I'm still going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. In case if you are still confused in all these things that I mentioned, don't worry. There is a guide for you that will help you to get all these things, and you can easily see that guide in video descriptions as well. Or you can also easily join our Telegram community where we share all these things for free. And like I said earlier, I will continue to talk about Telegram and how to monetize it as well. Everything concerning Telegram. So if you like such content, click subscribe and stay tuned in this channel. Always drop your question in comment section. I will use that to create a video and answer you that question as well. Solve your problem and still help those that have a related question or problems as well. So click subscribe and drop your question in comment section. Join me in this Telegram monetization journey.